Good morning. I took a little time this morning here at Starbucks to plan out my meal prep, and so we're going to go on a shopping trip today, and I am going to do stuffed peppers, pulled chicken, chicken soup, zoodles with meat sauce, orange chicken, tomato basil wraps, and lettuce wraps this week, and that's what we're going to be purchasing and buying food for, so I hope you enjoy the journey. Today I am here at Whole Foods, and I thought we would do some grocery shopping and meal prep for the week. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways to get all your veggies, grab your protein, and make it simple, and then meal prep for the week. Here we have zoodles, so zucchini noodles that are already done for you. Don't have to make any work. And again, the cauliflower rice here, same way, already done for you. Lots of different options for greens. You can get them, they're already triple washed, organic, perfect for you. Here's some Brussels sprouts. Just get rid of the butter that's in them and roast them yourself with some olive oil and salt and pepper. And lots of different veggies. Try for 10 different veggies every single week and 4 different colors, because that's what's going to get you the nutrition that you need. I love all of these veggies. Love broccoli, love cabbage. I love to put parsley in my soups and my stir fries, and just so many different fresh organic things that you can cook with. Here we've got celery root, we've got rutabaga, and a great thing to do with those is make baked fries. You can use this celery root and pair that with some cauliflower that's roasted and make a really great mash. We've got yellow and green squash, super yummy, and just by itself. Lots of different colors of the bell peppers, and great things to do with them. Put them in salads, fresh, stir fry with them, bake them into stuffed peppers. That's what we're gonna do. And here's some portobello mushrooms, great for making a burger and using as the bun. I love to use mushrooms in all of my stir fries and fresh salads. And here we go, we can make wraps like a sandwich with lettuce. So wrapping your burger or your sandwich goodies and enjoying a sandwich without all of those carbs. So lots of great things. I like to use grass-fed 90% lean ground beef. Same way you can get turkey breast and chicken breast. That's 90% fat-free. Also, when I'm going to make chicken broth or a chicken soup, I always use a whole fryer, and you can see the difference in price here. The only difference is the grain that they are using, because it's coming from the same farm, organic and antibiotic and hormone free. So feel free to make these things. I love the salad bar at Whole Foods. I can't love it enough. All these different greens already cut up. Cucumbers, tomatoes, we've got cauliflower and onions and celery, radishes, fennel. All these things make great salads. 3 different colors of bell peppers and broccoli, all ready for you. Love the sous vide chicken. It's so tasty and moist, and it's just breast only. We've got eggs on the bar. So simple ways for you to make sure you're getting all your veggies, all your colors, and they're already chopped for you. You can get them fresh every single day. I spend a lot of time at Whole Foods. Good morning. So many different things at Whole Foods, and yes, I do buy organic, so that's an important thing to me. I got really sick a couple years ago, and I realized how much all of this environmental stuff was affecting my immune system, so I switched to all organic. So that's what I eat as far as meats and veggies, and that's a personal choice. It's a little more expensive. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it today, and I will bring you along on future shopping trips.